5.9 magnitude earthquake felt in Tokyo. Earthquake hit Japan Saturday evening outside of Tokyo, swaying buildings in the capital, but no tsunami warning was issued. The quake hit at 8:23 p.m. 1123 GMT, at a depth of 39 kilometers, 24 miles, off the east coast of Honshu, Japan. The U.S. Geological Survey said. Japan's meteorological agency said no tsunami warning was being issued. There were no immediate reports of damage after the quake. A relatively rare strong tremor to hit the capital. Residents in part of the Chiba region outside Tokyo reported strong tremors, with some saying the shaking had knocked objects from shelves, but there were no immediate injuries reported.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.